Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best self-piercer is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to efficiently and safely create pilot holes or pierce through various materials without the need for pre-drilling, making it an indispensable addition to any DIY enthusiasts or professionals toolkit for a wide range of applications from woodworking to metal fabrication. Number 5. Body J4U 156 PC Piercing Jewelry Mix. Discover a vast collection of body-piercing jewelry designed to express your unique style. This extensive kit offers a wide variety of options for every piercing. Find the perfect fit with multiple gauge sizes included, from 14G to 20G. Whether it's for your belly, nose, or ears, we have you covered. Explore an array of jewelry styles, including hoops, barbells, studs, and spikes. Mix and match to create your ideal look for any piercing. Each piece is crafted with care to ensure comfort and durability. Enjoy high-quality jewelry that complements your body art. With 156 pieces in a random mix, the possibilities are limitless. Elevate your look with this comprehensive piercing jewelry set. What we like. This kit offers an incredible variety of jewelry pieces for numerous piercings. If you love experimenting with different styles and want a huge selection to choose from, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those who want maximum options for their collection. What people say. Quick and easy to use perfect beginner's jewelry needs where sharp nice variety of jewelry would buy again did exactly what I needed to do. Good variety of products to choose from. This kit comes with durable and multicolored piercings. Order this kit if you are a beginner, or have only been piercings for a 6 month, 1 year. Number 4. 18 PCS Disposable Ear Piercing Gun Kit. Introducing a complete ear piercing kit designed for ease of use. This all-in-one solution makes the piercing process simple and convenient. Each tool in this kit is disposable, ensuring a hygienic experience every time. You can pierce with confidence knowing it's clean and safe. The kit comes with built-in earrings, so you have everything you need in one package. No need to search for studs separately. Perfect for various ear locations, including the earlobe, cartilage, tragus, and helix. Achieve the look you desire with this versatile tool. This comprehensive set includes all necessary clean tools for a smooth piercing. Get professional results in the comfort of your own home. What we like. This option provides a disposable and hygienic solution for ear piercing. If you prioritize single-use convenience and a straightforward piercing process with earrings included, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for individuals seeking a clean and simple at-home ear piercing experience. What people say. It didn't hurt at all and was very quick and easy. These are so easy to use. That's all that you do is put a dot with the marker that it comes with. Look in the mirror. Make sure you approve, squeeze it together, boom, you're done. Works very well. No cartilage shattering. Healed well. Number 3. Prgislew 2-Pack Disposable Ear Piercing Kit. Introducing the Prgislew 2-Pack Ear Piercing Kit. Achieve a flawless piercing experience with this easy-to-use, disposable tool. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a safe and hygienic piercing. It comes with studs and a cleaning tool for your convenience. Perfect for various ear locations, including the tragus and helix. You can also use it for nose studs, offering great versatility. Designed for single use, this piercing gun ensures maximum safety and prevents cross-contamination. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. The elegant silver-white color adds a touch of style to your new piercing. It's a discreet yet fashionable choice for your body jewelry. Whether for yourself or a friend, this kit is the ideal solution for a quick and simple piercing. Get professional results at home. What we like. Get 2 piercing kits in one with this offering, featuring silver and white stud options. If you're looking for a dual pack for yourself or to share, and want the convenience of included studs, this is a great value. It's suitable for those who want a simple, paired solution for ear or nose piercings. What people say. Spring-loaded. Worked perfectly. Item is described perfectly easy to use, super quick, barely even felt it. Easy to use, quick and precise. Number 2. Ear Piercing Gun Kit. Introducing our all-in-one ear piercing gun kit. It provides everything you need for a safe and easy piercing experience. This unit kit is designed for professional quality results. Achieve precise and clean piercings every time with this reliable tool. The kit comes with a variety of fashionable earrings to choose from. Personalize your look with these included studs. We've also included a helpful aid tool to assist you. This makes the piercing process even simpler and more comfortable. Your safety is our priority. This kit is designed with hygiene in mind for a worry-free piercing. Whether you're a professional or doing it at home, this kit is a great choice. It offers convenience and quality. What we like. This kit provides 8 complete earring piercing units for multiple piercings. If you need a straightforward set with an aid tool for easier handling, this is a practical choice. It's designed for individuals who want a basic, multi-piercing solution without excessive complexity. What people say. It was really easy and no regrets. The jewelry is small, but who cares, we all can switch it out once it is healed. Was quick and painless, to be honest, only took a minute for the whole thing. Number 1. Body J4U36 PC Pro Body Piercing Kit. Introducing the Body J4U36 PC Pro Body Piercing Kit, your all-in-one solution for professional body art. This comprehensive set is designed for a variety of piercings, ensuring you have everything you need. Explore endless possibilities with this kit, perfect for nose, septum, ear, cartilage, lip, belly, navel, and tragus piercings. It includes a wide range of jewelry styles to suit your personal taste. Crafted from high-quality surgical steel, the included BCRs, CBRs, barbells, and spikes ensure durability and comfort. You can trust the material for safe and long-lasting wear. This kit comes complete with all the necessary tools, including needles, clamps, and gloves. We've provided everything to make your piercing experience safe and efficient. Achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home with this Pro Kit. It's ideal for both experienced piercers and beginners looking for quality supplies. Featuring popular gauges like 14G and 16G, this set offers diverse options for your piercing needs. Mix and match the rings and barbells to create your unique look. What we like. This Pro Kit comes with essential tools and high-quality surgical steel jewelry for a more professional approach. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that includes needles, gloves, and clamps for a precise piercing, this is the one. It's best for those who want a more controlled and equipped self-piercing experience. What people say. The needles are wonderfully sharp and very effective. The needles in this kit are so sharp that any pain is minimal and over with very quickly. The needles are really good and sturdy and are individually packaged for sterilization. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.